Hi everyone, welcome back to InFlightAcademy. I'm Sushmita Roy, your cabin crew coach and a mentor. If you are dreaming of becoming a cabin crew and you're preparing for your big interview, then this video is just for you. Whether you're applying for Indigo, Air India, Emirates, Qatar Airways, or any other airlines, these tips will help you stand out and your chances of success will definitely increase. So grab a notebook, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more career-winning aviation content. So let's dive into my 5 powerful tips to ace your cabin crew interview. Tip number 1. Safety comes first. Every airline is crystal clear about one thing, that is safety is number 1 priority for them. Your job as a cabin crew is not just about looking smart and offering tea or coffee. It's about being responsible for lives of hundreds of passengers in the sky. So in every answer, subtly highlight your awareness of safety, rules and procedures. I'll give you one small example. You can say, my strengths include my high awareness of safety, my ability to follow my procedures and my calmness under pressure. Now that is gold. Tip number 2. Research the airline thoroughly. This is where most candidates go wrong. They generally give general answers and show no real passion for the airline. So here is what you can do. Go to Wikipedia, check the history, fleet and destinations, follow them on Instagram, LinkedIn, visit their website. Also try to read their mission, goals and culture. When I say I admire Indigo's mission of on-time performance and low-cost travel, you sound genuine and prepared, right? Tip number 3. Study their job description. Airlines mention what they're looking for. So pay attention, ladies and gentlemen. Quality like teamwork, empathy, time management, attention to detail, customer service, these are the keywords you must build your answers around. If they ask you, tell me about a time you gave great customer service, you must be ready with your answers and you should display these qualities in your stories. Tip number 4. Know the industry challenges. They can very well ask you, so what are the challenges our airline is facing today? So don't panic, I will give you one sample answer. You can say, so I know the aviation industry is recovering from the pandemic and passengers' expectation higher than ever. My role would be to ensure passengers feel safe, valued and happy. So they keep choosing our airline again and again. Isn't that a confident and a forward-thinking answer? Tip number 5. Practice like a real interview. Finally, don't just prepare in your head. Practice with your friends, practice aloud, use a mirror, try to engage your family members, or if you have a coach, practice with your coach. At InFlightAcademy, we do run mock interviews with feedback so that our students know exactly where they need to work on and they definitely get results. So now let's discuss sample interview question. Here's a common first question the interviewer loves to ask, that is, tell me something about yourself. How to answer it like a pro? You can start like this. Thank you so much for this opportunity. I would describe myself as someone who loves to help people. And it's something that's give me real satisfaction and joy. I've always been fascinated by aviation and the grace with which cabin crew handles everything, from calm moments to uncertain challenges. Over time, I have worked on building my communication skills, staying calm under pressure, and being someone others can rely on. I know this job demands presence of mind, empathy, and lot of hard work. But I'm truly ready to give my best and learn continuously and grow with your airline. Simple, confident, and structured. You can also add your values also if you feel like, but try to revolve it around the airline values. Guys, if you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on grooming, interviews and communication skills. And if you want to take your preparation to the next level, check out my complete course at InFlight Academy, where we turn cabin crew aspirants to aviation professionals. Until then, keep learning, keep growing, and keep flying high. Bye for now.